Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on question answer, and this is our revision class. Dear students, let's start for our today's topic. Dear student, today we will revise first 4 question answer. Our first question answer is write 2 good food habits. The answer is 2 good food habits are given below. First one, eating vegetables and fruits daily, and second one, drinking plenty of water every day. And second question, how many senses do we have? What are they? Answer is we have 5 senses. They are first one seeing, second one hearing, third one smelling, fourth one tasting, fifth one feeling. Now I will go for next question answer. Next question is why we need water. Answer is we need water for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking and watering plants, etc. Our last question for today's class, name 2 farm animals and write what we get from them. The answer is hen and cow are 2 farm animals. We get eggs from hen, we get milk and meat from cow. Dear student, I will repeat this question answer again. Come to first question answer. Write 2 good food habits. The answer is 2 good food habits are given below. First one, eating vegetables and fruits daily. Dear student, second one, drinking plenty of water every day. Again I am discussing this answer. 2 good food habits are given below. First one, eating vegetables and fruits daily and drinking plenty of water every day. Second question, how many senses do we have? What are they? Answer, we have 5 senses. They are first one seeing, second one hearing, third one smelling, fourth one tasting and fifth one feeling. Dear student, we will go for the next question. Now, why we need water? The answer is we need water for first one drinking, second one washing, third one bathing, fourth one cooking, fifth one watering plant and etc. We have to write here etc. because we use and we need water for so many purposes. Here we have written only 5 purposes. That's why we will add here etc. And last question answer, question number 4 is name 2 farm animals and write what we get from them. The answer is hen and cow are 2 farm animals. We get eggs from hen, we get milk and meat from cow. Dear student, now I will give the SW for today. This is your SW number 23 and you have to do as your SW question answer 2 and 3. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3 and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer and practice all the exercises, whatever we have solved on the online classes. Do SW regularly and submit it regularly, because you will get your CT and SBA marks on the basis on your SW performance. Dear students, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.